plus 8 plus 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 8 plus 3. Answer
41.
41.
Correct.
okay. Next Tharun நீங்க சொல்லுங்க answer next. Okay, plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6.
36.
Correct appa? Okay, next your turn. Okay, plus 7 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6.
46.
Correct answer. Okay, next your turn. Okay, plus 3 plus 2 plus 8 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9 plus 5.
37.
Okay, Tharun, plus 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2.
I think 21.
You?
Answer is
Okay, next. Come on. Do it fast. Okay. Plus 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 9. Neera. Answer.
31.
Huh?
40.
What is the right answer? Next. Plus 8 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7.
48.
48. Okay. Tharun, nee sollu. Plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 4. Answer.
43.
Okay, next. Your turn. Plus 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9.
41.
Okay, next your turn. Plus 5 plus 9 plus 12 plus 11 plus 6.
43.
Correct. Okay, let's move on to the double digits. Okay. Tharun. Plus 22 plus 33 plus 22. Answer. Is here. Okay. Okay. Plus 65 plus 24 plus 43. Answer.
133. 132.
132. 132 is the right answer. Okay, Dharshan. 82, 71, 34.
187.
Tharun, 29, 99, 31. Answer.
Just get it.
Answer.
160.
170.
149.
159 is the right answer. Next. Karta Suno. Tharun, your turn again. 96, 67, 80. Answer.
86, 57.
Last one showing is 80.
80.
I think 233. 240.
243 is the right answer. Okay, one more last. Your turn. Answer Karta Suno. Okay. 83, 49, 86. Answer.
209.
Okay.
208.
280.
218.
280.